before you become professional, you need to look professional. Here in this video I'm going to be talking about how video going to be very helpful for those who just started to step in social media field, or I can say YouTube field or TikTok. Just look at your first video and look at someone's video. Okay, when you self not liking your video as a viewer, try to see your video as a viewer. Okay, when you self not liking your video, how can you expect from somebody else to like it? Okay, here I'm not talking about content, I'm talking about the basic mistake people do. Those of you who just started their YouTube channel or any social media, if you really want to look professional, first of all, before you become professional, you need to look professional. Here in this video I'm going to be talking about how to look professional than being, because I'm going to help you in this. I'm going to save you from doing those 4 mistakes what all new YouTuber and new people do when they come in social media. So in starting, just cause I've done mistake, I don't want you to make mistake. So in starting how to look professional, that's what I'm going to teach you. So just stay tuned and please subscribe to make other look at you like you are confident in the thing you're doing it. You must not make others see that you are inconfident. You must not make others see that you are inconfident and you just new in this. It's okay, with subscriber, with view, okay, there's nothing we can do about it. Okay, this take time, it will take time. But what I'm talking about in this video is how to look professional. Means the thing new YouTuber do, we need to avoid. Okay, and I just broken down those things in 4 points. I just need you to just look at them and try to fix them if you're doing one of those mistakes. Mistake number 1, that new YouTuber, what they do when they wear mic, wire hangs up in out. Okay, don't let your wire of mic keep hanging in out. Try to just tuck them inside, or simply simply wear mic from inside. Try to hide the wire of mic. Okay, first of all, the solution of this, that we can buy wireless mic, but that comes so costly or so expensive, so let's not go on that. Simply try to wear mic properly. Mic top should be showing. You must understand, only mic top should show up. You don't need to show entire wire of mic. Guys, mistake number 2 is your background. Now, I'm not saying that just build a wall for your YouTube video for good background. What I'm saying is, simply if you have nothing, then use green screen, then you can put any background you can do. But again, it will be like that you are spending money on it. So what I'm saying is, just try to find white wall. Simply just leave it blank. Don't put anything. I just see that people put a flower or photo or photo album. Just don't do anything. Just keep it blank. As you can see, all of my videos background is completely empty. Okay, empty is better than having some dirty thing in your back. So just leave it empty. Mistake number 3 is wearing colorful dress. Look, it's very easy to look professional. It's very easy to look professional than really being professional. Just simply wear one color cloth. Okay, just try to always match the theme. Suppose you're wearing black, then it's completely black. White, then completely white. Means try to wear less colorful clothes. I usually wear black or white. Okay, these are my favorite color. It's not that I don't like color. I do like color, but I just don't like them on me. So I just prefer black or white. It just make you look decent and professional, and it shows the seriousness of you, how serious you are about life. So try to wear colorless clothes. I hope you're understanding, black and white. 4th one is, you need to learn, before uploading video. Okay, before uploading video, first do practice with your any home video, okay, which you're not going to upload. Okay, because it's become hard for you to keep impression. There's a saying that your first impression is the last impression. So try not to upload. Means first I'm saying basic thing. I'm not saying that that basic thing. Try to learn how editing app work. Means I was uploading YouTube video in previous channel, which I deleted now, without editing. Okay, so just give yourself, like suppose even though you have decided to make video and upload in YouTube, just give yourself 5 days, 10 days. Okay, download some application like KineMeister or Rust. There's so many applications about that. I'm not going to talk about that. What I'm saying is, first give yourself 5 days, 10 days to learn how that application really works. Okay, and once, I'm not saying you to be expert of it. Okay, because getting expert and getting used to how that application work, it's gonna take time. The more you make video, the more you will be perfect. But here I'm not talking about being perfectionist. Here I'm talking about being normal good, just basic thing, how to put light in video. You won't believe when I record my video, so my video look like this. So I turn my video from this to this as you're seeing right now, just with the help of application. Just with the help of application. I don't use any lightning or anything. So that's what I'm saying, Try to learn how to edit video, then you can upload. That's all. These are the 4 things new YouTuber make mistake. So just need to avoid that. These are the things how to look professional. And being professional and being successful means getting subscribers and all these things. That's really not in our hand. So just keep trying it. Life is just like a lottery. Just keep trying it. You might win anytime.